Hey there, money seekers. Are you tired of the same old ways of trying to make a few extra bucks? Do you find yourself scrolling through your phone, wishing there was a fun and engaging way to earn some real cash? Well, your wish is about to come true. Are you ready to turn your downtime into dollar signs? Imagine transforming those idle moments into opportunities to earn money. Whether you're waiting for a friend, commuting, or just relaxing at home, you can now make every second count. Introducing the Cash Knife app. This revolutionary app is designed to make earning money not just easy but also incredibly fun. It's a game changer in the world of mobile gaming and online earning. Imagine this. You're mastering the art of knife throwing, hitting targets with pinpoint precision and scoring real cash while you're at it. It's like combining the thrill of a carnival game with the satisfaction of earning money. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. The Cash Knife app is here to prove that you can have fun and make money at the same time. No more boring surveys or tedious tasks, just pure adrenaline-pumping action. With Cash Knife, you can actually earn real money and gift cards just by playing a fun and addictive game. Here's how it works. You start by downloading the app and diving into the classic casual action game that we all know and love. The game is easy to pick up but challenging enough to keep you hooked. As you play, you'll find yourself getting better and better, hitting more targets and earning more rewards. As you progress and sharpen your skills, you'll hit targets and unlock rewards. And these rewards? They're not just points or badges. They're tangible, valuable rewards that you can actually use. They're not just points or badges. We're talking about real cash that you can transfer straight to your PayPal account. Imagine the thrill of seeing your PayPal balance grow just from playing a game. It's quick, easy, and secure. You can use the money for anything you want, from paying bills to treating yourself to something special. That's right, it's like having a cash app right in your pocket. But wait, there's more. The Cash Knife app also offers a variety of other rewards that you can choose from. If you're a fan of gift cards, you're in for a treat. Cash Knife lets you earn various gift cards from popular choices like Amazon and many more. These gift cards can be used to buy anything you want, making them a versatile and valuable reward. Whether you want to buy the latest gadgets, books, or even groceries, these gift cards have got you covered. It's the perfect way to get rewarded for your time and skills. Every minute you spend playing the game is a minute well spent, as you're constantly working towards earning more rewards. So why waste another minute? Download Cash Knife now and start throwing those knives. The sooner you start, the sooner you can start earning. Turn your leisure time into earning time and watch your rewards stack up. It's a fun and productive way to spend your free time. Turn your leisure time into earning time and watch your rewards stack up. The more you play, the more you earn. It's that simple. And the best part? You're having fun while doing it. Whether you're looking to make some extra cash or just love the thrill of the game, Cash Knife has got you covered. It's the perfect blend of entertainment and earning potential. Remember, every target hit brings you one step closer to cashing out. Each successful throw is a step towards more rewards and more money in your pocket. So, grab your phone, download Cash Knife, and let the money-making fun begin. It's time to turn your gaming skills into real-world rewards. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips on how to make money online. Stay tuned for more exciting ways to boost your income and make the most of your time. See you in the game. Get ready to throw those knives, hit those targets, and start earning today. The Cash Knife app is waiting for you.